topic is theory of computation. Subject is theory of computation. TUC. This is for GATE exam and other UGC exam. We have to discuss first what is language and what is alphabet and what is string and what is symbol. The theory of computation is based on concept. Theory of computation is based on concept. Based on concept. That is the theoretical concept. First is lag. Theory of computation based on lag. In lag, L means language and A means automata. L means language, A means automata, and G grammar. The theory of computation based on this language, automata, and grammar. We have to first discuss what do you mean by symbol. In theory of computation, symbol is important. Symbol means all capital, small alphabets A to Z, and any letters 0, 1, and 2. This is symbol. Next point is this is first point, that is symbol. Next point is alphabet. What do you mean by alphabet? Alphabet is denoted by sigma letter. Alphabet is denoted by sigma letter. Sigma letter. That is, alphabet means finite set of symbols. Finite set of symbols, and alphabet is denoted by sigma. That is, we can write alphabet as round bracket A comma B. This is alphabet, that is finite set of symbols or collection of symbols. In our problems or examples of questions, alphabet is given A comma B, A comma B comma C. This is given in problem. Alphabet is given in our problem. Next is third point is string. What do you mean by string? Definition of string. Define string. String is a collection of alphabets. String is a collection of all alphabets. String is a collection of alphabets. That is a sequence of alphabets. That is a sequence of alphabets. And alphabet is a finite set of symbols. All concepts are depend on each other. String is a collection of alphabets or sequence. That is sigma. Sigma is an alphabet in bracket A comma B. A comma B. Suppose we can write string as string is a collection of alphabets. Sigma A comma B. String can be written as A comma B comma A comma B comma BA comma BB. String can be finite or infinite. String is possible. First is how to find length of a string. How to find length of the string. The given length is 2. Suppose if you given length is 2, how to find length of string? In this problem, length is 2. Therefore, string can be written as string is a collection of alphabets. String can be written as length 2. Therefore, A1 and 2. Length is 2, comma AB, BA, and BB. First, in problem, given alphabet sigma A comma B. This is alphabet. We have to write string as for length 2, A comma B and BA comma BB. A, AB, BA, and BB. This is a length 2. Next is to given length is string of length is 3. If you given string of length is 3, then how to write the string? String means collection of alphabets. For length of string is 3, and given alphabet is Given alphabet is sigma a comma b. Therefore, length of string 3 can be written as a. This is 3 length. B possibilities are A, B, B. These are length of the string 3. This is example of string. String is a collection of alphabets. Next point is language. What do you mean by language? Language is a collection of strings. Language is a collection of strings. That is, all strings are possible in language. And string is a collection of alphabets. And for example, sigma a comma b. We will take example 1 and solve the some problems of language. Language is a collection of strings. Sigma a comma b alphabet is given. For first problem, L1 is given as collection of all strings. Collection of all strings length 3. Collection of all strings. We have to collect all strings of length 3. And next collection of all strings with length 3. And next L2 is suppose take infinite string. All strings start with A and with A. All strings start with A. This is a language. L1 is a language. Collection of all strings of length 3. Collection of all strings of length 3. Suppose all length 3 A. This is an example of collection of all strings length 3 A, B, or possible B, A, B, dash. This is an example of collection of all strings length 3. And second example is L2, that is infinite string. All strings start with A and end with A. Solution is all strings start with A and end with A. Suppose A start with A, end with A. Next start with A and end with A. Start with A, end with A, and dash. And we had another possibility is A. Start with A and middle is B. Start with A, end with A. In both of middle, write any string B. Because given alphabet is A comma B. A, comma dash. This is a language. Next, suppose we have to write language in terms of length 0. For length 0 can be written as sigma 0, otherwise epsilon. This is for length 0. Any collection of string is not possible. Answer is epsilon. Sigma 0. Next point is automata. Next important point is automata. In automata, language is maybe finite or infinite. Language is finite and infinite language. Suppose, what do you mean by finite language and infinite language? First, take one alphabet. Sigma is equal to A comma B. L1 is length 2. Consider language L1, that is length 2. Therefore, we can write as language A, comma AB, comma BA, comma BB. This is a finite language because only 4 possibilities are there. This is a finite language. If you write infinite language for another language L2, suppose take one example, at least 1A. At least 1A means either write 1A or more than A are possible. Therefore, infinite language, a comma a comma a comma a comma 4 times a, 5 times a. Otherwise, a b also possible. A b also possible because more than a's are there that added. Otherwise, ba is also possible. This is a infinite language. Finite or infinite languages are there. Next, if you check this string, suppose this string is A, B, B, A. If you check this string is stored in which memory? Finite memory or infinite memory. First check A, B, A, B. This thing is we had to check in finite language. We had to check in finite language because ABA match with this strings in which memory this is possible. But ABA this is not in their finite language, not match with their finite language. Therefore, uh, therefore this is not stored in memory. This thing is stored in memory. Suppose this thing is matched with this finite language, then this is stored in memory. That is finite memory. Next, next, this is a finite memory. We have to stop. Next slide. Thank you.